It was in January 1997 when engineer Felix A. Gabiana took the first step in pursuing his dream to start a machine shop. To him, it was more than just the passion towards his craft, but mainly for family.
Ako nga makaprovide ko sa upat nako ka anak to give them a bright future. After graduating in high school from Don Bosco, nagtrabaho ko sa Atlas Fertilizer as machinist. After 3 years, I was promoted as draftsman. While working, I was also studying to finish my mechanical engineering course in USGR. Transferred to Union Carbide after my graduation, dito ko for 17 years. First as a draftsman, then got promoted as machine shop supervisor. With my experiences, I believe the best business na akong ginahunaan kay mag-put up og machine shop kay maoy akong pangandoy.
Having worked in the mechanical engineering industry for almost 3 decades already at that time, there was no doubt that his expertise and experience could propel him to execute his vision.
It started as a backyard business manned by only himself. So Felix did the production, be his own sales agent, and did all the planning. As a support, I would sometimes accompany him to clients and generally support him in all his plans. By the end of the year, from one operator, we were able to hire a few more.
Pagsugod na mo sa F.A.G machine shop, wala pa may kabutok na pulo kabuok. Dayon, nakakontract may trabaho sa F.A.G. Isag wala nga among supervisor, ang trabaho lang may gihapon.
Una namong trabaho kay sa F.A.G. Nya, nagkano namin kadaghan ang among kliyente.
Felix's hard work paid off when he was starting to get noticed by established companies around Cebu City. The engineering industry was beginning to see the precision that is consistent in his work, the efficiency of his services, not to mention the value he brings towards his clients' businesses in terms of money and time spent. Some of his early clients were Energizer Philippines, CP Kelco Philippines Incorporated, Dadon Manufacturing Incorporated, M&Q Plastic Products Philippines Incorporated, Sofanao of Asia Incorporated, and Atlas Fertilizer Corporation, among others.
One of our early success project was with Hercules, now CP Kelco. Sa ilang assessment, beyond repair na ang pressure plate. Tungod kini nga item imported, niya na repair na mo locally. In short, nakasave ang CP Kelco. Another project was with M&Q. Tanan nilang tooling, including sa ilang nozzle, decentralized sa Philippines, and kami nakakuha sa kontrata. Tungod sa kadako sa volume ug sa ka-critical sa specification, niabot sa among hunahuna nga kailangan mi og makina na dunay digital readout. While ga-develop mi, timing nga nakabaw mi nga DOST na ay set up program which was to provide technological upgrade to the applicants. Luckily, we are one of the few na naka-avail. So with the acquired machine, naka-deliver me on time while meeting the quality requirements sa project. Dito last time na niduol mi sa DOST, realizing to be able to further compete, kailangan mi mo acquire og CNC machine. CNC are quite expensive na di mi gyud maka-afford atong panahon na. So we applied through DOST TAPI program for acquisition of higher budget requirements and got our first CNC machine.
True enough, F.A.G. sales has increased after the installation of its first CNC machine. With the help of the Department of Science and Technology, Felix was able to scale his company into an even more reliable brand in the marketplace. One of Felix's most effective strategies is to consistently invest in state-of-the-art equipment to consistently improve in terms of efficiency and productivity. Since then, F.A.G. has acquired 5 units of CNC vertical milling machines, 5 units of CNC lathe machines, 1 unit of electro-discharge machine, and around 100 other conventional fabrication and welding machines. Its latest acquisitions are the CNC water jet machine and the CNC plasma and flame cutting machine to guarantee accuracy in their products and versatility in their offerings.
We in the production have felt the advantages of having diverse machines in terms of efficiency and improved quality.
The wide and technical capability has helped us tap additional market and provided us leverage.
The continued challenge is to provide advice, leadership, and direction so that each individual's talents and skills are harnessed to its full potential.
Because of its impressive portfolio and commendable work ethic, F.A.G. Machine Shop and Services Corporation has grown year after year from day one of its operations. It has evolved into a global firm now called F.A.G. Engineering Group, catering to top-tier clients both in the local and international markets. Now, F.A.G. has a total of 90 dedicated and competent employees to help perform its core services, which are fabrication, machining, designing, and troubleshooting and maintenance of various types of machines.
Usa sa mga project that exhausted all our services and nakahatag namog opportunity to showcase our skill set was the handle stopper project of the Don.
Natay pinakadakwa ng mga trabaho sa una.
Mo gito first mas pro namo.
Daggan kayo may nagtabangan ng trabaho. Ikan sa machining, kuhaon na mo, dalon na mo sa fabrication area, amo siya nga simbolon.
Kada adlaw magdugang yung tao para mahuman.
It was a furniture accessory the originally sourced from China. Tungod ato nga project, we realized kaya sa akong mga tao, and we then thought ready nami to expand.
In April 2008, F.A.G. welcomed its second branch, which is located in Arpali, Balamban, Cebu.
The Balamban branch helped stabilize the company as it captured the western Cebu market. Daddy thought that if he brought the firm where the demand is, he would be able to penetrate the market better. This branch also housed our first CNC machine.
Being a mechanical engineer, I have been with Lexmark in research and development for 4 years. During the time, I was only involved so much, only after office hours. But this time, my dad felt the need to bring me on board full-time.
Nagsugod ang Balamban branch, gikan sa gamay na trabaho, nidawat mig mga walk-in, na-accredit mi sa Sunisi, Hostal, Mitapil, Atlas Pinerizer, Toledo Power, Carmen Diesel. Gikan sa gamay, na-expand hantod ang anam og kadako.
In June 2011, F.A.G. opened its third branch in Isabel, Leyte. It was a new experience for the team as it was its first branch located outside Cebu. We were able to locate ourselves inside Leyte Industrial and Development Estate, that's Leyte's economic zone, and is proudly serving Pasar Corporation up to this day. Due to the management demands of having 3 branches, after working in Timex for 2 years as an industrial engineer, my dad had to ask me to join them and lead the operations. As an enterprise starting from scratch, we celebrate our breakthroughs, however small. But it will never compare to the feeling of being recognized by someone external to the company.
In 2012, F.A.G. was recognized as the best regional adapter of the DOST Small Enterprise Program for Region 7 for successfully utilizing DOST's technology interventions and technical assistance. F.A.G.'s impressive market performance and outstanding improvements in production and product quality has catapulted itself as a household name in the engineering industry. Now on its 20th year, F.A.G.'s vision is to continue to lead the industry by providing world-class top-caliber services and products and ensuring consistent customer satisfaction. It aims to exceed expectations and define its contribution to the community by molding aspiring engineers and businessmen, developing its people, and touching more lives. F.A.G. indeed has beaten the odds and survived the arduous times.
The keys to success for me are self-discipline, love for your work, and prayers. Kung naa ka ni tanan, everything else will follow.